Hey, it's Rowan Samuel, your Naples realtor with John R. Wood Properties and the Samuel team in Naples, Florida. I'm here today at Winding Cypress in southeast Naples. This is a Divosta community. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Winding Cypress, just click the link below for all the amenities, floor plans, and details. They're still actually building here, but I figured I'd give you just a little drive around the community. And also at the end of this video is a video of the clubhouse and amenities. But it's a gorgeous community, lots of beautiful landscaping, and all newer construction over the past 5 or 6 years or so. And there are also a ton of walking paths, hiking, and biking paths kind of all over. You can kind of see over there to the left, you actually hike into the preserve back there. And this will just give you an idea of what some of these homes look like. Again, this is all newer construction in Naples, in southeast Naples, all single family, on man-made lakes. And let me just drive around a little bit here. We're actually on Winding Cypress Drive, which is the main road that takes you through Winding Cypress. And they do have a few models still available to be shown. This kind of gives you a good idea of what some of the homes look like. Flat tile roofs, some barrel tile, but all a little different, which makes it a little more interesting to drive around, where not everything is the same. So check out the amenities video after this one. If you have any questions, feel free to call 239-298-3555 or 239-537-3732, or visit us on the web at www.lovingnaples.com. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's Rowan Samuel, John R. Wood Properties. This is the club at Winding Cypress. I'm just going to walk around a little bit here. To the left are the tennis courts. Let me see if I can get you a little wider view here. Main area of the club. See some folks playing pickleball over there. Tennis courts and pickleball. And around a little bit, there's the fitness center is right in the front there, in front of us. And I'm going to try and walk around a little bit so I can show you the pool. With COVID, things aren't all open right now. Of course, not a lot of people are out and about, but at least I can give you a little idea of what the amenities look like. So, here's the pool area. Okay. So in the back there is the restaurant. You can see it back there. Of course, the pool area. Changing rooms and bathrooms. And inside are the social rooms and the fitness, additional meeting rooms. There are a ton of walking paths, hiking paths in Winding Cypress, so really nice community in southeast Naples. And single family homes, all built by Divosta, who is owned by Pulte now, but really nice community with full amenities. It is guard gated and all newer construction over the past 5 or 6 years. Thanks for watching.